Oh my god.
Oh my gee! Look at her in her glory. Now paint something. We're not off to a great start. Oh. Is there any gray on my butt, Christina? Is it gray? Is there any gray right here?
You're wearing gray pants.
Oh, So, I want to give you guys a little bit of an update. It's holiday time around here. People are taking time off, and things are getting done at weird times. So we're not always all together while we're working on this set renovation. But I wanted to give you guys just a quick update. So this is where we're at. It looks like, is this the lime wash that you guys were?
No, this is primer. It's not perfect, but the way that I've always patched walls is you put the drywall joint compound spackle on there really thin.
I'm proud I knew that word.
I'm glad you knew that word too.
Thanks.
But then instead of sanding it with sandpaper, what I do is I actually just use a damp sponge, and you kind of just knock down the high spots, and it's like sanding but without dust.
Right, and I think what we're gonna while we're talking about this, we'll have some B-roll going over of the time lapse that we set up. Hopefully, there's some interesting things Michaela does on that. To just. Side. Oh, did we get that on camera?
Yeah.
Oh, I hope we're showing that right now.
Okay. Well,
I don't think we'll see past that.
Hey, Ming, can you make sure this ladder doesn't slide behind me?
Okay, sure.
Michaela!
Yeah, I give it to you.
Okay, cool.
God. Oh my god. See, this is what I'm talking about.
Oh, that's part.
Okay, great. Well, let's go show that she's still alive so that...
Can confirm, Michaela is still living.
I am here.
Hello.
Katie just gave me the best thing ever.
What's in the box? A dinosaur? Is it
inflatable?
Do you wear it?
Dinosaur costume!
Hold on a second. Are you inviting to show us the costume on?
Oh, I plan on actually doing the next couple of things with this, but I need batteries.
All right, we'll be back. When we were talking about doing this, I didn't anticipate somebody putting on a dinosaur costume behind us. Uh-oh. I don't know what part I'm supposed to...
Yeah, this is the...
Oh, that's actually kind of sharp on what's
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
Oh my gee! I wasn't expecting it to be so tall. Look at her in her glory.
I'm glorious!
Now paint something. It's really big. Who bought that for her?
I don't know if I can. I don't want it.
He did.
Oh geez. Okay, I guess we should...
It's happening.
Is this gonna happen, whether it's a good idea or not? Emmy's like, watch me paint in a dinosaur suit. You're like, it looks like you're licking the wall. I mean, this is certainly the most efficient way to do it for fun.
This is amazing.
I think in some ways we've reached a new low. Oh.
Tessie. Do not pass.
Are you trying to reach the paint?
You're gonna, okay.
I need to show Katie.
I should have gotten you the child size.
Bruh.
That was honestly.
At least you get, are the eyes at a good level though for you?
Yeah, actually, it's perfect.
I'm
trying to unzip.
What is about to come out? Emmy! Ta-da!
Oh God.
Emmy was in there the entire time. Who knew? All right, we really should get back to work. Okay, so holidays are over. It's the new year. We are everybody's in the studio right now, and the girls are out there starting to set their plan for moving forward with the Jerry's Live set. So let's go out there. Ming's gonna have to join us as soon as he's done with his snack, and see kind of where we're gonna go from here. So let's see what's going on.
We got all the patchy hole things. We got that primed again so that they won't absorb weird.
Yeah.
And then, I mean, it's plaster. I don't think we need to it doesn't need to be pristine white.
Okay.
We gonna slap it on. Okay. Like it owes its money. Not please. I can still see the big square. Ow! Emmy, shit the thing.
We're not off to a great start. I'm actually more worried about your shins. Yeah, that sounded
Knee
painful.
level. Is it?
Ay.
Yes, for short people, it's knee level. I'm fine. I didn't need that leg.
I just want everybody to know. So the roots, look at that. That's fresh, baby. That's a fresh do. Katie's pretending she's at Benihana again.
I was gonna say, does that sound like a hibachi chef?
Konnichiwa.
He's close enough? Yeah. I mean, they can make yogurt.
Alright, who wants to see me electrocute myself?
Oh, I'm there.
Okay.
So what should happen when you plug this in?
It should turn on and I don't electrocute myself.
Okay. There is no spoon. Oh, whoa, oh, oh. I'm seeing the light.
Oh, it works.
Good job, Ming.
That was a bright idea. You see, it's her attention to detail that makes her
There's bad.
extra.
Nobody judge this, please.
Yeah, hopefully you get better at this because this is gonna take you like.
Ming, I'm gonna need you to not judge me right now.
So I turned the camera on, Ming's like, let me make some comments that are gonna get me killed. And that's coming from me.
Just trying to be realistic.
Ming, this is not easy.
I gotta put the lights on.
Ming's like, I want to go home to my kids.
No, you're not putting lights up this week.
Y'all are gonna have some Popeye arms after this.
Just the one.
Just one, yeah, just your right forearm is just gonna be like 3 inches more of muscle.
It's alright.
Yeah, I was wondering, like, we're gonna see exactly who's taller by where the line ends.
We have the school bus.
We haven't used that since 2008. It's been buried in the back, our magic school bus. Oh yeah, she's a beauty. Come, old friend, out of your...
Can you sing the Magic School Bus theme song?
I was hoping you'd just play it.
Seatbelts, everyone! Please let this be a normal field trip. With a friend? No way!
Cruising on down Main Street, you relax.
I think it's safe to stand up. Bruh. But we'll find out.
We'll see.
I don't like how you're questioning the question marks in your inflection.
No, I'm challenging my octaves. Okay. Oh, I touched my butt. Is there any gray on my butt, Christina? Is it gray? Is there any gray right here?
You're wearing gray pants.
Oh, sh. So what's the next step from here? Second coat?
I was gonna go with sledgehammer, but no, yes, second coat.
And is it gonna be thicker?
No, because it's really not supposed to get that thick.
Okay.
The idea is, so if you look at the wall, like there's some texture here. Like you can see, like it's not perfect.
No, if you squint.
Yeah. But you can also see like some of the walls still coming through. We need to cover that back up. And then we need to add a little bit more to give more texture because we want texture.
So you're talking a potential third coat.
God, I hope not.
Pushing the neighborhood, surfing on the sound wave.